Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to email your collaborators using Google Sheets. Emailing your collaborators directly from Google Sheets can be a convenient way to share updates, feedback, or any other information related to the spreadsheet. Here's how you can email your collaborators using Google Sheets. Now, the first step is to open your Google Sheets documents, which you have right here. Then open the spreadsheet from which you want to email your collaborator. I have sheet 1, so I want to work with this. Then the next thing is to click on the share button, which is at the top right corner of the screen, which is here. So click on that. Now in the sharing settings window, which were, so you have to, okay, you have to name it, so you have this prompt. Let's go ahead and name this shit FA. So I'm gonna leave it as a spreadsheet. I'm gonna click on OK. For the options are coming in. So here, which is a sharing settings window, you're going to see a list of people who have access to the sheet. So here you can also see their email addresses, and these are the people who have access to the sheet, which is just pretty much me. I do not have any other person. So if you want to add, you can just click on this add to add people, groups, and calendar events. So go ahead and click on the copy link button to copy the documents link. So after doing that, you can then paste this link into your email client, all right, to send an email manually if you want to do that manually. So alternatively, you can use the send option, which is here. So just go ahead and click on the person that you want to email to, and that's it. Just so that you cannot really email. So let's go ahead and add somebody if you want to. So this person can be added. gmail.com. Okay. So as you can see, we have a problem adding people in group because this is restricted, right? Only people with access can open the link, so it's restricted. So if it just remove it from restricted to anyone with a link, all right, and once that has been updated, you can now add people over here and click on done. All right, so I'm clicking on search to add this person, and this person has been added successfully. So you can go ahead and click on the copy link for you to copy the link. It says link copied, and after that, go ahead and click on done, and this person will definitely become a collaborator and have access to the spreadsheet. So that's it. So this person has been added, and you can also add a message. You can say, oh, join the spreadsheet, join me, and the person will be notified. Okay, the person will be notified. So you can adjust the sharing settings by choosing who can view or edit a document from the window, add any additional email addresses if needed, and go ahead and click send. So you can click on this, and either the person can just view or comment, or the person can become an editor. However you want to do that, go ahead and hit the send button, and this person is going to receive the message successfully. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.